sorry. What is your name, friend?
My name is Yash. I am 10. Tell me about yourself, friend.
My name is Tukaram Mulgir. I am 10. I live in Sarapuri. I go to Jilla Parishad Prathamik Shala Sarapuri. I am in class 4. My teacher's name is Kavya Madam. Yash, tell me about yourself something more.
My name is Yash Rankambe. My father's name is Sunil Rankambe. He is office worker. My mother's name is Pooja. She is teacher. I have one brother. My brother's name is Shaurya. He is 12. I have no sister. I have a cycle. Tukaram, do you have a cycle?
No, I don't. But I have many toys. Car, tractor, aeroplane, mobile, etc.
Thank you. Clap.